I'm going to try the most expensive and delicious and high quality beef I've ever eaten, the Waygu beef, which is a type of Kobe beef. The reason it's so expensive is because each cow, they massage it, they feed a really delicious food. They're not supposed to exercise on their own like the regular cow we have in America. So this creates a even marbling. The fat is more evenly distributed. It is fattier, and because it's fattier, it's supposed to be more tender, more juicy, and it just melts in your mouth. So, all right, let's cook it. I can't wait. So we're gonna start 2 minutes on each side. But before you put the beef in, you have to make sure the heat is really hot and the pan is hot. So you can hear this nice sizzling. I decided to cook 3 minutes on the other side to get a much better sear, and this is what I have at the end. And I'll tell you, it's delicious, it's juicy, it's super tender despite being on the heat for that long time and a high heat. It looks hard, but it is super tender.